Friday night, I feel like a villain. Life is a dream, but the door's not ending. To order the guys of love I'm sending. She don't want me for real, she pretending. She not toxic, she keep texting, need some space, they ain't.
God. I don't remember how to start this shit, like. How I say this shit, like. It's your boy ShawnShawn Welcome. It's your boy Shawn, aka ShawnShawn Welcome, doing a reaction video today. But before we start, I'm definitely eating some fire breakfast right now. Let me show y'all. Shit said 2:13. Come on now, I'm just eating breakfast though. Fuck it though. We about to do these reaction videos, but before we start the reaction videos, I'm about to watch me eat. Go to my heart, she don't froze, hope it lasts, I'm old. I know someone wanna get me gone. Go out of this, there's no vibe, so you should kill spot. What you do for the block? I wanna hear that. You told the cops, so I was swallowed. Don't forget they, I get off my pot. I've been sending a lot, toasted up around the last night. My body, show my heart. It's so toxic, so I stay with the rocket. Don't need doubt, she in the pocket. She watch your pockets, I told her stop it. Can't get loud, I know I can switch me flying. If you're trying to time it, trying to switch the flow. Don't be cocky, so I have to roll. She wanna work, she wanna twerk, she must sticky link, she gon' hide all of my dirt. All it takes is one call for me to go and work. And she keep her body like she made us some water. No destiny, but I swing my destiny. What I do for you to get next to me? Where you put it down, shit, here you bring the best me. You know I'm a dog, but you love my baby, but no science came. I'm an expert at these energies. No. I'm your body on that, I'm in this spot. Yeah, I hit the strike, you don't smoke the weed, but no, I ain't gonna fight. A free to step, set my whole body, but like a taste outside. But say, baby, no dice. Ooh, girl, take your time. Bad girl, no destiny, but I swing my destiny. What I do for you to get next to me? Where you put it down, shit, here you bring the best me. You know I'm a dog, but you love my baby, but no science came. I'm an expert at these energies. Tap him, look. Last one with this too, look, tap him. We so loud to vibe in this, you feel what I'm saying? Oh, you know that shit said a whole bunch of shit right now. I'll show y'all, feel me? Come on. My boy hate us, come on, they gonna hate regardless, you feel me? Feel what I'm saying? Y'all not in tune. Y'all think y'all in tune, but y'all not in tune for it. Alright, we about to get into this reaction video. Fanum and Castanet started Firework war. Yo, I saw the first shit they started in the old crib, they was going crazy. Where to my mother, bro? I got bro. I got my Bro, where my mama? I'm eating right now. Stop watching me eat. That nigga's dead. Oh, if I find my line in the street, chat with it. Nah, he not doing that. He not doing that. Oh, word? He not doing that. He not doing that. He's not doing that. He's not doing that. You gonna have to meet him. He's not doing that. Oh, his check too. I don't know why he thought. You're not doing that. That's not your body. Yeah, it's not your body. You're not doing that. Word. Tell me my lighter. I'm canceling. I ain't know that it's not a sponsorship, but this shit bust. I ain't gonna lie. Tell me my lighter. Bro, there's no way to do that. He's not doing that. His heart don't be like that. He's not doing that. You're not doing that. Shawn. Let me hide those.
Oh Lord, not again. Tears of joy, tears of joy, tears of joy.
Why he watching me?
Oh no.
Why you watching?
Tears of
what
joy,
you doing?
tears of joy.
Why he watching me? Stop watching me. Why he watching me? Stop watching me. Why you watching me? Stop watching me.
Oh.
Tears of joy, tears of joy.
Yeah, you better move.
Nah, Fanum on some funny shit. That shit slap. I just killed the plate though. I saw the plate in the beginning. Shit slap. He not about to do that.
You better chill, bro. You gotta chill.
Subbing, but my streamer don't stream.
You better chill. Bro, you better chill, bro.
Nigga scared now. Damn, I got the ice.
What is that? Wait, what is he doing? What is he doing? What is he doing?
Nigga about the back door, you nigga. That's what he doing, nigga. Oh nah, he was some funny shit. What the fuck? Nah, he on some funny shit.
What is he doing?
Nigga scared.
Yo, chill, bro. Chill. Bro, chill. Bro, what's up?
I was pump faking.
But ain't nobody pump faking.
Pump faking on live.
Ain't nobody pump faking, bro. I got my.
Nah.
Put that.
Oh, I'd let that shit go. I'm letting that shit go.
You gotta chill, bro. Bro, you gotta chill,
I'm letting it go.
Bro, that's a big firework.
Put it down.
Y'all don't be like that.
Yeah, I'm letting it go.
Like that. You know who I am. Not do
Where
that.
my mom letting it
Y'all
go?
don't be like
Yeah.
that.
Oh! Nah. Oh, he blurred it. Oh! Nah, he's a pack though. He's a pack. He thought he wasn't gonna do it though. Look. Thought he wasn't gonna do it though, look. Nah, why they blurred out though? They baited. Oh, fire right here. Fire right here. Oh, nah. This a fire? I'm tripping. This a fire or I'm tripping, y'all. I don't know. This light wasn't... I don't know. Is that light on? Look, light not even on. Nah. It's not a fire or I'm tripping. Nah, they wildin'. Yeah, burn right there. They're bugging. They're packs.
Fire! Oh, the fish is on fire. What else? I don't know.
Oh.
Where's the lighter?
Nah. Nigga fucking his room up. Nah, word 2, is this a fire, bro? I'm jacking us a fire, bro. They gonna wake up dead. Oh, this nigga. Bottles of water. That big ass house don't got no fire extinguisher. What's up with these niggas, boy?
Yep.
Oh, all over the merch. Packs. Nigga pour order clothes and then moves to after. Nah, he's just pouring.
I don't know why. Sorry.
Nah.
I just watered it down. Yo, where's Phil? Can you hear me? Chu, can you hear me? Yes or no? Chu, can you hear me? Get back. Fanum! I'm about to blow up your room!
Oh, why they keep blurring everything, bro? Nah, that's crazy though. Nah. He's just blowing the crib up at this point. Nah, what's up, bro? This shit don't even look that bad. Shit like some big shit up in his room. He would have been sick.
Nah, Lucy, she took away. She's in a soundproof closet, chat. She's good.
Lol.
Go to truth, gang! Go to truth! Yo, chill, bro!
Oh, here we go.
Nah, they geeking.
I bet.
Yo, I'm adding all the guys. What's the word? Firework roll. What's the word? I'm jacking it. Not in the crib though. These niggas is packs.
Go to truth, bro! Chill!
Nah, they wildin'. Yo, follow the Twitch at ShawnShawn _ NYC. That's what I'm saying. Streaming 420. Yo, y'all want a 420 stream? Y'all gotta give me the 40 views. I mean 40 followers. Word of my mother. I got you.
He's gonna go crazy. Fanum's about to go crazy. Fanum's about to go crazy. Oh God. Oh God, he's about to go crazy. He's about to go. Yo, bro, show me what you got. Bro, do not know. What? Fanum? What? Show me what you got.
He not lying that shit.
Bro, he wanna go to war. No. He wanna go to war. He don't wanna go to war. No, stop. Bro, you want my pen? You want my Fanum? Don't stop, bro. Why you saying Fanum? Relax. Bro, stop.
Hang on. Can I see it? I just want to see it. Okay.
I got 40 upstairs. So. Go the house.
Nigga said I got 40 upstairs. Nigga said, so if you take this one, nigga, I got 39 more, nigga.
Okay. I got 40 upstairs. So. Go the house.
The house is unlivable again currently.
Why? But I was close. It's hard as
Big
car. Bro, I gotta drop him. You bothered my. Bro, I bothered you. Go to my room right now. Look at my. You put in my carpet. I had to.
Nigga said I had to. Nigga said I had to.
This bro. Let me take a picture. Let me show him. Yo, look at. Nah, that's a traitor. Let that be a message to all these other that you try.
Nah.
The ceiling? Why to the ceiling? What? The ceiling.
What you mean? Peep the ceiling. That shit, I don't know. Y'all niggas crazy. That shit like a fire. Word of mine.
Bro.
Look, that shit like a fire.
You started it.
That shit was not on before the fireworks, you know. How it's automatically on like
You
that.
can't pump fake somebody. And you beat yourself.
You said you beat yourself. Pack.
Yo, I call the truth, bro. I call the truth too, bro. It's an operator here. Too. You wanna see? Bro, look. Bro, I jumped firecrackers in that mother. Alright, look, this is. What? I don't know. I feel like I can't really breathe right now. So, yeah, I had to take it off. Bro, what is that? I don't know. Why y'all in here? What you doing, bro? What you doing? Bro, look. Bro, I gotta drop a bomb in there, bro. You drop a cracker on.
What you mean by that?
I ain't mean that.
What you mean by that, gang?
I didn't mean that. Hey.
What you mean by that, gang?
Hey. Yo, chill. Yo, you didn't mean that. I think we should just call it.
I guess we should just call it.
But I didn't think you was actually gonna drop that. Bro, it's me, bro. Is that dude? That's the big drop. Oh, we in trouble.
Packs.
Is that the big drop?
Yo, it's a fire extinguisher on here.
Yeah. It is?
Yeah.
It's where?
Under the sink in your bathroom.
I gotta use it?
Just tap it out, bro.
Anything on fire, Fanum? Nah, I would've been dead already.
Nigga said I would have been dead already.
Why you didn't give me one? Where? Bro, this now? Does it work?
Yo, bro, don't.
He needs to use it.
Oh, it's my fire.
Nah, push it. Is it work automatically? Now read the instructions.
Gotta take that
Oh,
phone.
pull it?
Yeah, nigga.
I guess it worked.
Oh. He's a fat. Nah, that shit's smoky. Yeah, they're bugging. They're bugging. Oh, this nigga over here dying. This nigga dying right now.
Get back.
Oh! Ah! I can't! No! Ah!
Nah, this is a gel blaster. This is a gel blaster.
Nah, I didn't get a gel blaster too. Like, what's up with this funny movement shit going up over here though? Like,
My red heart.
Guys? Guys, there's a problem!
hello? Hello? I'm fine. What you doing? Eating waffle? Oh. I'm gonna call you back, okay? Okay.
We got a problem, guys! I need help! I need help. Bro, my hamster escaped. What? Bro, she escaped. Oh my gosh.
This is my hamster
She
escape.
escaped. Chill. What is that? What do you have?
Gel blaster.
Bro, help me, bro!
I don't got no bullets for my gel blaster.
Oh my gosh.
You just brought a gun, no clips.
Oh my gosh.
Where she be hiding?
She's not in there. Look, that's... Bro, she... Oh!
Pack. Nigga lost his hamster. Yo, if y'all enjoyed that video, like, comment, subscribe for more reaction videos.
Late night, I feel like a villain. Life is a dream, but the door's not ending. To order the guys of love I'm sending. She don't want me for real, she pretending. She not toxic, she keep texting, need some space. They ain't